You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression, originally from French, so let's break down how to say it correctly. For reference, the French pronunciation is as avant-garde. Avant-garde with a silent T. In English, it's usually pronounced similarly as the avant-garde, the avant-garde. Some may pronounce the T slightly and say it as the avant-garde, not avant, avant-garde, avant-garde, or avant-garde, but the T is silent in French, so try not to say it. Avant-garde from French, avant-garde. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.